Let's download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader for free to view PDF files. First, open your web browser and go to Adobe Acrobat Reader's download page. You'll see a download button that automatically matches your current operating system and system configuration. To download Adobe Acrobat Reader for a different Windows PC or Mac, click on the Other Downloads option and select the version for your operating system. Once the download is complete, open your browser's Download section, right-click the installer, and select Open. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. The process usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on your system. After the installation is complete, click the search box next to the Windows Start button, type Adobe Acrobat, and open the app. You can also open any PDF file by right-clicking it, selecting Open With, and choosing Adobe Acrobat Reader as your PDF viewer. To access premium features, sign in with an Adobe account that has an active subscription. That's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe for more video updates.